Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to change your Facebook profile picture without posting notifications to your friends on Facebook. So let's move. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about Facebook topic. So with that being said, let's get started. First thing you want to do, open up your Facebook app. Just like so. Having opened up your Facebook app, next thing you want to do is to simply click on your Facebook profile picture. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on your profile picture. Then the next thing you want to do is to click on choose profile picture. So the next thing you want to do is to simply select the picture from your full gallery. So having selected the picture, so the next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on here. Then next thing you want to do is to simply click on save from the top right here. So with that, your profile picture is going to be changed and none of your friends will be notified on Facebook that you just changed your profile picture. So this is how to change your profile picture without posting notification to friends on Facebook. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.